Safety, health, and environment are paramount. Safety is a system or technique to perform work without harm or loss to man, material, and the environment. An incident is an event that could lead to injury or property damage but does not. It is also called a near miss. An accident is an unknown and unexpected event that results in personal injury. Accidents are typically caused by two factors: unsafe acts and unsafe conditions. Unsafe acts include working at an unsafe speed, working without authority, or failing to use personal protective equipment. Unsafe conditions include poor construction or stacking, lack of machine guards, defective working conditions, poor layout, overcrowding, unsafe lighting, or improper storage of hazardous substances. The accident pyramid illustrates that for every one lost time injury, there are many near misses and unsafe acts or conditions. Focusing on controlling near misses offers the best opportunity to prevent accidental losses. Electricity is a good servant but a bad master. Hazards include electrical shock, fire, and explosion. Electrical accidents are often caused by poor knowledge, overconfidence, taking risks, and not following safety procedures. Fire requires three components: heat, fuel, and oxygen. Fire extinguishers work by removing one or more of these components. Fires are classified into Class A, B, C, and D, requiring different extinguisher types. In an emergency, upon hearing the fire alarm, secure documents and switch off electricity or machinery if possible. If evacuation is declared, use the emergency exit, not the lift. Walk quickly, do not run, and proceed to the assembly point. Key safety do's include reporting all near misses and accidents, participate in emergency drills, and attend safety training. Maintain a clear view when manually handling materials and clean up spills immediately. Other safety do's include wearing ear protection in noisy areas and providing safety guards for machinery. Hold handrails on stairs, stack materials correctly, and maintain good housekeeping. Always ask if you are in doubt. Safety don'ts include smoking in non-designated areas, consuming alcohol at work, and engaging in horseplay. Do not stay near or under suspended loads. Do not overload forklifts or interfere with electrical equipment unless trained. These visual reminders emphasize various safety principles, such as maintaining an orderly workspace, using machine guards, wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, and obeying safety rules. Thank you for reviewing this safety induction video.